Hi, hello students, welcome to Let's Understand Physics. In this video, we see the top 10 MCQs for board exam from previous year question papers for class 10 students, Human Eye and Colourful World chapter. In the previous video, I have completed Light Reflection and Refraction chapter, top 10 MCQs from previous year question papers. If you haven't watched that video, I will give the link in the description. Please watch it. Now these questions are very important for your competency based questions for board exam. Okay, now let's see question 1. An adjustable opening in the middle of the iris is called. So in the iris there is a part which will be controlling the amount of light entering into the eye, isn't it? What is that part they are asking? A. Cornea, B. Retina, C. Pupil, D. Crystalline lens. So, in the iris we will have one opening that we call it as pupil. Option C is correct. Question number 2. The part which is responsible for converting light signals into electric signals is called. So, light signal into electric signal where it is converted in the cornea, iris, pupil, retina. So, in these options, retina is correct. Retina is the part which converts light signal into electric signals, because on the retina only will have image formed. From the retina, these signals will be through optic nerve sent to the brain. Next, question number 3. Which of the following is true for cornea? For every part in the board exam, you may get this type of question. Their function, main function, you have to tick for the correct option. Now see here. A. Controls the light. B. Image is formed. C. Transparent outermost part. D. Converges light. So cornea is the transparent outermost part, isn't it? So option C is correct. Fourth question. The condition in which a milky and cloudy layer is formed on eye lens. So on the eye lens there is a milky and cloudy layer is formed. That condition we call it as, it is a defect. Option A, myopia, B, hypermetropia, C, presbyopia, D, cataract. So this condition we call it as cataract. Option D is correct. Question 5. Which of the following phenomena of light are involved in the formation of rainbow? So rainbow formation, what is required for rainbow formation? Rainbow means you will have white light and that into splitting into 7 colors, isn't it? So the splitting of white light into 7 colors we call it as dispersion, but scattering does not take place and total internal reflection of light takes place. So here option A, scattering of light, is there, so it is wrong. Next, B, reflection, refraction, dispersion. So here reflection will not happen, so wrong. Option C, refraction, dispersion, total internal reflection. So option C is correct. For rainbow formation we will have refraction of light, dispersion of light and total reflection. Option D also you see reflection, dispersion and scattering of light. So reflection is again wrong. So option C is correct. Refraction, dispersion and total internal reflection. Okay. Sixth one. The danger signals are in red color. If you observe in the traffic also, the red color signal is used to stop the vehicle. Why they are asking? Red light is scattered most by the smoke. Option B, red light is least scattered by smoke. C, red light is absorbed by the most by smoke. Option D, red light moves faster than other colors. So this option D is wrong, because all the colors will move with the same speed and red color is not most absorbed by the smoke. That is also wrong. And option A, red light is scattered most. It is not most scattered light, but red light is least scattered by the smoke. That's why we can see from far distances red light. That's why we use red light in the danger signal. So option B is correct. Now see seventh one. The splitting of the white light into its constituent colors is called. Direct definition, splitting of white light into 7 colors, we call it as dispersion. So option D is correct. Eighth one, a person gets into a dark room from a bright light. For example, if you are coming from outside, means from bright sunlight into a room, then how does his pupil regulate and control the light entering the eye? Now, whenever you are in a bright light condition, the pupil size will be very small because the small amount of light should enter into the eye. Okay, now from that bright light, if you are coming into the dark room, then what should happen? In the dark room, the light will be very less. So the more amount of light should enter into the eye if you have to see anything. That's why what should happen? The size of the pupil should increase and more light should enter into the eye. Let's see the options. Option A, the size of the pupil will decrease. In the bright light it will decrease, not in the dark room. Option B, the size of the pupil will increase and more light will enter into the eye. So option B is correct. Let's see option C and D also. Now see, the size of pupil will remain same but more light. Pupil size will be changing according to the light. Okay. So bright light and dark room, there will be size change in the pupil. Now option D also they have given same. Without changing, the less amount of light will enter into the eye they have given. So option C and option D wrong. Option B is correct. Okay. Now see question 9. A doctor prescribed a person to use spectacles of plus 1.5 diopter. What is the defect he is suffering from? So plus means power, plus means focal length is also plus. Focal length plus means what is the lens he is using? Convex lens, isn't it? So if he is using convex lens, what is the defect? Hypermetropia, isn't it? So option B is correct. Question 10. The value for least distance of distinct vision for a healthy human eye. Least distance of distinct vision for a human eye is how much they are asking. Direct value you have to mark. So A, infinity. Infinity is what? The farthest distance of distinct vision, isn't it? 25 centimeter. So 25 centimeter is the least distance of distinct vision. So option B is correct. So these are the important questions from human eye part, and the second part which you have scattering of light. On the prism also you will get questions. On the prism with diagram, in the next video I will make questions on it. So if you like the video, please watch completely, like the video and share to the students, those who are studying class 10, your friends and your relatives, and comment if you have any doubts regarding your class 10 physics chapters. I will make video on those chapters.